I'm Rick Reinick. I'm the Crop Input Retail Manager at Cargill Quebec. I would love to share a farm hack with you today. Turn on your agitation system in your sprayer tank. Add your dry flowable product through the top of your sprayer. The reason I say that is the risk of having your dry flowable sucked into the bottom of your sprayer tank is plugging your filters, product not getting dissolved in a timely fashion. Let it agitate for 5 to 10 minutes. Once that product is dissolved thoroughly, add your second product in, which is a liquid soluble. Let it agitate for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your third product in, which is normally your surfactant, and let it agitate for 2 to 3 minutes, and the product is now ready for application. This is important because of the risk of mixing two different products that are not compatible, and when you mix two products together, the risk of having one of the products antagonize and become ineffective on the target pest that it's being applied to. Safety points to take into consideration is wear rubber gloves all the time. Wear a respirator to avoid inhalation of any fumes or chemicals. Safety goggles to avoid splash where it can get in contact with your eyes. And wear a rubber vest to avoid any skin contact.